Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find this information useful, please like this video. Today is Wednesday, 29th June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 214.83 and with VAT is 225.57. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 197.21 and with VAT is 207.07. 21 carats gold 1 gram price is 187.97 without VAT and with VAT is 197.37. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 161.12 and with VAT is 169.18. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 125.67 and with VAT is 131.95. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 89.58 and with VAT is 94.06. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 53.71 and with VAT is 56.40. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in the UAE is 5% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.